To change the ribbon in a Datacard SD260 printer, first open the lid by pressing the button on top and then lifting it. Next, remove the ribbon cassette by taking hold of the blue section at the top. Be sure to avoid the print head as you lift the cassette out. To remove the ribbon, carefully pull the two spindles from the cassette and roll any used ribbon onto the uptake spindle. Take the new ribbon and push the spindles onto the cassette. Make sure that the ribbon runs along the top face of the cassette when it's in the printer. Once the ribbon has been replaced, slot the cassette back into the printer and lower it into place. You can then close the printer's lid by pressing down until it clicks.